Yes, welcome back. You see me? And you see the movie here? In name, it rough when you can't read. And you see, if you want to watch it, go over to Maggie Films right now and watch the movie here. It is gonna be epic. Dre Tsunami, Randy Watson, big up yourself. Go over there for Maggie Films right now and watch the movie. You understand? I don't know Alton Garden is inside of that movie.
Organ transplants involve illegal payment. Kidneys are the most popular, with the WHO estimating that 10,000 are sold every year on the global black market. This is a story about supply and demand, and there are very few places on Earth where the latter doesn't outstrip the former. Shortage of organs for transplantation is a constant international problem. In the US alone, thousands die every year waiting for new kidneys.
Oh, yeah, man, me up a farmer, so yeah, go on it. What is on, so? All right, then, no problem. All right, give me a few minutes, I'm a circle. All right, then, cool. What's up, my friend?
Bomba, yeah, let's say Sammy, where you going it?
Tell me that, but I'm telling my son's up.
Change at all, you know. Ah, boy. There's a lot on my plate from the other day. Trust me. I mean, becoming a doctor, I thought that financial miseries would, come to an end. But boy, it's not so at all. Believe me.
So you tell me, say, money what I'm paying now work out?
Cost of living is very high, sir.
Brother, there is no way me could have been a doctor, a surgical doctor at that, brother, and I'm broke. Brother, you know, say, when you call me, you know what I listen to? The radio.
Mm-hmm.
Me hear pan the news, them sell organs and all, brother. Big money there, pan brother.
No come to me with them thing there.
Brother, you want money or you want stress? Which one you want?
Look here. As much as even my vehicle right now, I insure. Me not look that direction.
Brother, you know what you know?
Alton,
Me never say if you kill nobody, you know.
Listen to me, you're not changed from high school days, youth. Come on. Don't put them things there to me, sir.
Bro, look. I don't know how bad. You see, when the people when the dead people then come in, they cut out their liver card, they not gonna use when they're dead. Right? They not gonna use it. So you can't sell it. Nothing. Nobody not have to know, brother. Me, can't even help you really, brother. You know where you go? And that's the thing there.
I don't really that me call you about, sir. Something else. But realize that you think you're easy, you're not change from them.
Brother, all me I say, I look out for you. You see me? Because what you know, remember say, just like how me plant ganja, me still have little things that I do on the side, you know. You see little things, little scamming, little bit of, you see me?
Remember, so you're a police card already messed up, so you don't have anything to lose, sir.
Yeah, nothing to lose, brother, right?
I have not to lose. I have my job to lose. I'm not going to name it.
Brother, you're going to lose one job now.
I see my status already. I just try. I continue with the income and until better come. I mean,
bro,
you don't have anything to lose.
Dre, listen to me. A long time I have a friend, brother. Because I say brother, you see me? But just think about it. Because at the end of the day, the people them where you go take it from.
Listen to me.
Listen, brother. Listen. The people them where you go take it from, then dead already. You not murder nobody, nothing at all. You just take out them sell it. People want if you buy, you know.
Listen to me, no, man.
You know how much one art, brother? 250,000 US, bro. So what you tell me, say, brother?
Tone down your voice. Tone down your voice.
Nervous, brother. Too much money.
Look, you know, even the friendship I got to think about cut off, believe me, because you see this.
Well,
I didn't come on this.
If me I tell you how we
come from high school days and I rate you as a friend, I respect you as a friend, and I came here to talk about something else. And this is what you put into me. I mean, I don't think they respect me. I respect my status. Trust me.
So what you come to talk to me about then?
Family, the job just stressing. The job is really, really stressing. And, you know, as a friend from my school days, I said, boy, I could have come across and even relax and, you know, breathe. You know.
You see? I same thing you may just tell us, brother. You're not going to do nothing illegal. Well, it's probably illegal still, but you're not going to get in trouble. A hospital I work, you know. All they do is just pack you up in a simple package, me come pick up it and go drop off it to the black market.
Listen to me, all right. Cut the argument. Talk on that.
Yo, bless up yourself, my dad. As me say, just think about it, brother. If you want broke favor, you know, you're a problem that. But if you want make little money, no problem there night. You see me, just think about it, as me say. Yeah.
You want to say? Tell me. My name, of course, I know my neighbor. Be careful of him. Apart. Mm-hmm. All right, ask me how me know. Remember me tell us that me are dying on the street. So if you think you can't go on me and come on me.
Yo.
What's up, bro?
Where you going?
That job that I said that could make some extra cash, right?
Mm-hmm.
Decided I'm gonna give it a one shot. Just one.
Yo, me like how you come to your senses and you know, bro. Cause what you know? We know how you go in Jamaica, you know, brother. Nothing not to go on in a boss. You see me? So me know say you have to do like a hustling on the side for really make it. You understand? I just say things say you know, I don't like you do nothing bad, brother. You know, murder no body or nothing like that, you see me? So right now, me just go up on the internet and me just go up on the black market and you see me? Organize and make sure say everything up and running.
Yeah, but before you go, promise me one thing. Promise me that you'll keep it down on the door.
Bro, this is between me and you, bro. I mean, that you shouldn't even do too much talking on the phone, dog. You see me? Don't worry yourself, man. Everything good. But me just organize everything and sort out, see?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, man. No worry yourself, man. Everything good, bro. Money so forward. Money up on the way. Yeah. Yo, a long time out of so. Brother, me I tell you, say, me I come through around and strap bogey there a while ago. I want cane truck broke down around there, brother. Me say, jam, one big old traffic. Sorry, what happened?
You have to be a bit more prone to what we're going to continue this weekend, you know?
Oh, man, and that one, as me say. I just a little.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Well, that's the thing that I heard. But, we have this fire right now.
How are you night,
I have a lot of work to do over there. We have about 5 more bodies to start dicing. You know?
So what is it now? Wind there.
Think what you are, that's that?
Oh. think I did a chest plate.
No, man.
But money the pan chest plate and them a change in chest.
Oh.
Yeah, money the pan too.
Probably have to start looking into that section of the business. But anyway, we have to go see if we can cool off the business. Yeah, tomorrow.
I mean, cool off.
I heard that the CMO, I heard that the news reaches the CMO as well. So, from the other day, I saw her came by doing some random inspection. So, we just want to give it a break for rival. You know? And when certain things go back to normal, they can continue. But that guy from A&E, that
So you not go to no police. But if you not go to no police, man, I can't shut him up before he even talk, you know.
well, you could
Cause I guess when a man
it's a little
but
bit
you know,
fine, but
no, but as me I said, you see that business there, brother, money can make out of it. You see me, I see I make money then, but we just can't really show say we make money because you don't want to draw no attention to yourself. But you understand? So it's a big business. So if we have a little squeal like that, you know, man, we have to get rid of it, you know.
Alright, I'll give you the information on him.
Alright, but we just hurry up and come on fire road, you know, because
Yeah, man.
I have a little catty account link me a little more, you know.
Alright, so they didn't bring the cash this time. Remember, I told them not to send the money to the account.
Then that me do, brother. That me do. Brother, me just say me name my brother because me that go some my time. As I say, you in the account. I know, man.
You have to fix up your account because you're not punctual and then you're not following instructions.
Brother, so right now, you move to tens. It's like you want get out, brother. You want a girl to sit down by your brother. Look at me talk. Zane, cause me have to get this off fire road.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, get a girl, man, and get laid. What? Yo, Dre. Oh, yeah, me the outside now, me the outside front or so. Alright, yeah, man, me outside, man. Yeah.
You must observe the surroundings, sir. No longer stand there.
Sorry, sir. I know, sir.
So where do the vehicle that I drove last time?
Yo, me have to dash a car there, man, cause you know, say, some police they search a car that was stop around bar, brother, and have a drink, and police stop me and like look in there and see like blood them and say something. So you have to just run out of the car. Then because you know, say, I can't make police catch you in them at the end.
Understand. But you know, no like business that they open public, right? You understand? So next time I rent one car.
No, man, but everything good, man. Nobody don't know what we are doing. A little ice in there.
You don't know. Normally person doesn't me out here, because normally they not the theater and thing. So
Yeah, man.
but yeah. So business as usual, alright?
Everything good, man. Watch out now. Watch out now. We have some new people who want see if I can get some more. Because we have some elder people, so they want more fresh. The fresher organs them. They can't get, you see, one of them from it come from old people, they want them not really good, they want them slow. So you see, one of them where they were coming from the fresh young people, they want their hot bread from the market.
I don't think you have to tell me that. Because I've never saw the organs that came from old people, from elders.
Well, that good.
This heart that I have in me do right here is from a 23-year-old late woman that met in an accident last month.
Your friends talk me watch.
And you know, say, a client, we want this year, I want politician, granny, you know. So you know, say, the price upon it. So when the money come through,
Right.
you just send it to your account.
Alright.
Same as usual.
No, and another thing again, because I have to do my declaration. I'd rather you bring the cash.
Cash.
Just bring the cash.
Well, if I say cash in hand, that's no problem still, no, because cash in hand, because, well, that cash, that even better for me, too.
Yeah, because you know, can't bother with the investigation stuff. As we said, the declaration, you can't load it up, because I'm going to make them type of money then. Those type of money don't come from my income.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
all shares.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So walk with the cash on it, right?
Yeah, man, all right, respect. So, when they come through, me link you back. Zane?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good.
The old man they were going, and that really pure in mind.
And listen to me now, the price, you have to kind of
Step up the price.
because much as how you are paying me, you have other persons on my pay, right? So feel like you have the price actually.
But I mean, if you say step up the price, then no problem no night, you understand? So, as I say, do the right thing. As soon as nothing more coming, just link me, see?
Will do.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Have a great day.
Yeah, man, you too. Hello?
Yes, Mr. Walter.
Yeah, go on then.
Boy, we have a major problem. This business definitely going down the hill. Trust me.
Wow, man.
You remember that same guy from A&E I was telling you about? That works for me. Boy, that man must stop drunk and spilling out information. Yeah. I heard that this week in some years that it's not supposed to reach.
So we can find him.
Yeah, because that would have good enough. At least I could have used. I could have used him up in the business as well. Leave him work 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Yeah, man.
Still no response, you normally hang out.
Yeah, man, right. Joseph Bar in Savamar.
Alright, that's a 40, man. Everything good, man. Watch out that. Everything good, man. Nobody worry yourself. I'll shut him up.
So, you just want to know where I'm hang out, you don't want.
No, man, just wait hang out, man. Everything good.
Alright? No problem. Yeah, man. He's always there.
Yeah. I'll shut him up.
Alright? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
See you later. Yeah.
Yo, I'm money me make you know. Organs me have with the guy themselves. They search for more hospital. Feel like that make no money. Organs me have mentioned themselves. I want a patient me come to hospital when I work for. As soon as they dead, you just cut out the heart, liver and this, I will just sell them for the black market. This is me I drink. Anything. See all the money when me I make. I come here for drink, you know. I drink cold like. Let's see US dollar when me I make. Walla, buy anything you want. Walla. Yeah, I saw a thing said. Organs them we sell. So if you want a brand new heart, just call Liquid. Anything you want. Lungs, heart.
Alright, boss. That's certainly. Me know nobody want one kidney me link you.
Yeah, see how it takes said.
Alright.
Anything you want. Heart, liver, lungs. All if you want a new brain, call Liquid.
Alright, boss.
Yeah, no, boss. We are gonna let you know because every day we are work. Every day we are sell organs. Anything you want. Anything you want. Heart. You want a new heart. Just let me know. Anything you want.
I'm boss.
See me all I was dropping money. Bartender, all that here. Keep it change. Because right now, I'm drunk, you know. Right now, I'm going to bed and sleep. Should I take the back of the alcohol in my hand?
My boss, money no normal, you know.
man.
I go on, bossy.
How are you doing there, sir?
You know, every day I see rubbish and I take them up because you don't know. I see place scatter with them, you know, if a dog or so I take them up. So now you feel no offense or nothing, man. Don't worry yourself. I keep the place clean in the order. I see them turn out and I said, I take them up. And nothing I do with for sake I get upset, bossy. I just you look rubbish there. You understand? So I see them here, so you know, say, we like keep the place clean. So I walk around and you know, I see it, so I take up it. So that's what I feel now, man. Feel alright and happy, man. Feel what I do, man. Because I rubbish in man. And you don't know where you go up on the scheme you live. And I come from where one part.
Hold on, me a fault.
All right, bossy.
So you say you want some food?
Yeah, man, if you have food up there, you don't know wrong. You take a plate up. I don't know how things set. That's how things set, you know. Where I come from and I see things. But even if I feel jump them or but I see garbage get out, so I go and put them up.
That good man, forward man. Me have some bread and you probably can eat a sandwich.
See, you know, walk over there, you can't give me the same way. I say badness set, you know. You're hustling and I treat, you know. Anything you have over here, you have it done the same way. Oh, I go and turn yourself till, listen, I go and build yourself.
No man, watch out man. Forward in man, everything good man. Come in and place man.
You mean, nothing wrong, toughiness.
Yeah man,
Go on.
put on yourself.
All right.
Come in man.
Yeah.
You don't smoke.
Now, some. Everything they mash up brain, brother, and mash up heart, kidney, liver, everything.
Smart man, cause smoking no good for you, you know.
Yeah, because I think they mash up brain and they sit there now, boss. I'm not take bother with this smoking thing, you see me?
Come in man, it's not even the mash up brain, but you see because your heart and is important.
Yeah, man.
You can't to mash them up, you see me? So it's good that you don't smoke. So, where you come from?
Come say, all right, up on the road just now. A place in called Lockwood. Yeah, right. I saw you know, I just walk around the place and see what boy, any little bus me.
Got another one, you know. Yeah, man, so let's line up the money. Yeah, man, worry yourself. Brand new. Yeah.
ask me for your bag. That you didn't have your bag. Jesus Christ, my brother tell me something last my clothes. Anyways, look at this. Look a girl. Oh, thanks. Oh, my head down.
Grape at 200. 3 of them up here at 250. You see all the passy?
Oh. You know no apple.
Yeah, man, 3 for 250, 100 a white.
Alright, give me 3 of them.
Alright, boss, take up your one. See your bag.
Let's see, a fresh fruits them.
Yeah, man, just come off 5 fruit.
Alright. So how your name?
And you know, say a fruits man, them call me, otherwise culprit.
Bless up yourself here.
Yes, Mr.
Outside.
Sir, good night. Sir, you can't buy more food for me and sister.
Can buy food, yes, for 200, yes, but I want to do this, sir.
But we're homeless, we don't know if we go and have nobody.
Homeless? I mean, I have a big house where 200 can come and stay, you know. I'm alone live, but I have an extra room where you can stay. I'm comfortable.
Sir, I tell you that truth. Right now, to all the world around me, not trust people.
Well, I agree with you, you can't trust nobody. But as I say, if you feel like you're comfortable, you just feel like you can stay in. But if you want something to eat, you want food, or you want somewhere nice to sleep, somewhere safe, you can't just come stay at the house. You understand? Come on, get you something to eat, man. You not smoke, don't it?
No.
I'm not drinking. And them sitting not good enough. You see me? Like, you see, your heart and them sitting important. And if you smoke and them sitting you're not gonna make no sense again. What's your name?
Jada.
Jada? What's your name? What? How are we getting something? Yo. Well, I tell you, last night I come in, dog. I'm still so bouncing. Last night I come in. I see 2 little youngie on the road asleep, you see me? So I stay so bouncing and killing me. And last night they must sleep, you know. But I don't know anything, you know. I work off a put in the mind. You know, cut off some, cut out the organs, and because we need the organs, and you see me? Because I say things, you know. They must say, no man, a young organs and they on the road. You see me? A young organs and they want, you know. Because you don't know, you know, man, work. We work off a put in the man. Yeah, man. 2 of them, man. Oh, shit. No, I'm not falling, man.
Be nice, though, man.
Hello, come here. Hello, don't move. Come here. Listen to me.
Please not get her. We here for the phone last night.
Get me on the phone. Mind people business too much. I say, if I didn't want to kill you, no, I don't even wake up this morning. Not wake up in a 3 days time. Top night. Top night. Shut up. Hear me, I say, I have a business proposal for you. You see me? This is say, when you have it hard, I go through it. So, I'm going to help you now. Hear? All you have to do is just be loyal to me. Get up, man. Come in and hurt you, know. Sit there. I have a business proposal. You see where I do? It's a multi-billion-dollar business. Yeah? So, if you don't get up, man, where you do that for? Stand up properly. If you don't want to hurt, I'm hurt a long time. As me I say, I'm going to recruit you to do a job for me. But I can't tell you what kind of job unless you're willing to work with me. Calm down, man. Why you cry? Look. Calm down. Don't me carry home last night and sleep good? Don't you sleep good? Talk to me. Don't sleep good, don't it? As me I say, you're willing to take the job? You sure? All right. Come on, come right now, make me tired enough. So come calm down, get something to eat. Not have to be nervous. As me I say, where the original come from? Yes, Jeff. Just Yo, how are you going, sir?
What we go on?
How are you doing, maybe?
What time is it come home?
No, I that. Yo! What kind of, where you now? Where are you going in? What kind of style is? Eh?
What kind of style we are talking about?
Oh, you feel man? I say you want to disrespect me.
Disrespect who? How may I disrespect you?
So you mean, how can you have money in my place?
For me, bring money in your place. First of all, Miami that catch me now. Because I don't understand, the level of brightness so you the par right now, you come run with them. You don't see the plumber. You don't see the worker man. Where you hire to fix the pipe from out when? Eh? The pipe where you can't fix. And you come and rush the man with machine and rush me. Man, what you doing now?
Sheriff, I'm not tell you,
Take that to my face.
I'm not tell you, don't make no man come in my place.
Man, you paint that in my face and make you joke me and my ear, because you're not going to like it, Remember me, I tell you, Seabird, ease yourself, come in there, I'm going to know how you get that to the level of brightness, Oh, come, remember, say, me, you're not there. You're not there.
So, me, so where you doing here? Come out of my place, man.
Yeah, I'm mad off. I'm bringing you. I'm mad off. I'm bringing them in. Excuse you, man. Come on, what is?
You better make sure you come out, because me make sure me go to station and make a report about this, Because me know I went to chop off piece of your police can feel like you want to lock me up. Because me know how you feel like you want to come here, man, in my place. So get a man in here. How you come out, too? That me I tell you.
man. Yeah, man, come on. Here more you do for me. When you go to a shop and buy 2 pound of goat meat.
Baba.
Yeah, me want curry some goat. Right.
Me.
Yeah man, me. If this can buy 2 pound, buy 1 pound. Yes. Yeah man. If I nothing, if you can't buy, when I come back, me give you money too. Yeah, go up at Blakey. If Blakey don't have it, go me spam. Yeah, go on. All right. Yeah. Party. We don't have to go down good. Dummy. Where you go that? Where you go down hold that goat? Dummy. Oi. Are you me a chat to dummy? Me send if you buy 2 pound of goat meat. Where you do one hold that goat? When me gonna do one hold that goat? Me can't cook him. Dummy, you tell me say you want more money for your goat. So hold on. So how much you want for him? No, Dummy, you really tell me say you want 45,000 for your goat? Eh? Dummy, give me back my money. Give me back my money and carry goat gun. Cause you come like you take me for idiot. Dummy, 45,000 for one lily because you got maga. Eh? I'm what the fuck? Where you get goat from? I feel goat. Just give me back my money. Give me back my money. Some know say a real old dirty smarty, you know, dummy. God no, I cheer dumb, you know. I cheer dumb, man. Me don't even pay no, man.
Listen. Yeah, listen. You understand? Oh, you understand? Me woman text like my text other man. More you watch. Watch out of your eye. Yeah, watch out of this your eye. Yeah. Don't worry about that, man. You good, man. Money, no problem. Oh. Yeah. But you have to go now. Come here, go a road. Yes, just banana tree. Yeah, those, all right, you can't talk. Don't say, no, I understand, like you. Yeah. Just calm me, please. Remember, what?
Look like you're ready, man. Oh, Tommy, I do ya. I ain't walk. Tommy!
But me not nothing for do. The good thing say you can't chat to that problem. Come you know. You're blind too. What did you? That was one of them tears there.
I feel man not come for now, you know. But they are work, man. Still more than good. Stage party in there. If they are work, I enjoy me. They are enjoy too.
Man, don't be better right this time, man. Oh. I want to more about that little dumb boy downstairs.
Do that?
Just
That's an idiot. Babes! Babes! If you don't give problem, man, it happen the finger. Oh, see up here.
where man over here?
No man, no there. What you talk about? What you? Alright, looking at the bathroom. Looking at the bathroom, for like me. Go on to the bathroom. Go on to the bathroom. I want to see the door, man. Open the door, no, man. All right. I want nobody. Watch him. Someone there, man. Mercy.
Who run out from here, so? Oh! Me not understand. Me say who run out from out of my house? Me not understand that. Me not understand. Oh wait. Rasta man. Really? Why you never lick him out? Yes, we fear you.
What you say?
Come here. We don't fear you.
I will look at dumb boy down here say to you.
He'll tell you see a Rasta man and run out of my house.
Me? Look, me tell you this. Hey.
Of course you. The man come here. Me tell him what he say already.
Yeah, how you hear what this man here say? You see man dumb.
No alarm. Me telling you, yo, if it's no
man.
man
Yo, me
up.
don't want to walk on a kind of news for me to tell no lie now. The man come to fix the pipe.
Fix which
the bathroom pipe. Don't touch me. Me fix your name up, man. Move from yourself.
The man did have one close. All right.
You can't listen to one dumb man.
Hey. Up here. I go
up here for watch me. You see you? Are you? Oh no?
Tell me that you're wicked.
Me tell you say man come to fix the pipe. What more you want me to say? Me want me tell you for myself. Oh, and that I want me to do. How far do some money I carry? In the up there, not all take place, man.
All right, the same man sit down, you know.
He sit down right there, so in the up there, so. In the up there, so. Two yai.
I use.
Move from yourself.
Back.
Kick him. What a man lie.
Back him on the ass.
That's crazy. What you really believe him? No, hello, me go see who you got. You believe him or you believe me?
Touch up.
Me said the pipe did one fix and the man come fix the pipe.
He surely fix the pipe here.
Not this a pipe here. The pipe in the bathroom. Me did one fix a beard, me figure beard, and the man come fix the pipe.
What so me can go.
No, me have pride. All right then. Since as I believe dummy, you go take dummy and can go up there to sleep with him. And me go pack my things and go to my mother.
Call myself, dummy.
Call myself.
You chat too much.
And dummy fi call myself.
You chat too much, babe. You chat too much. You too lie.
Right.
You lie. You love mischief.
Right, that's so. Yeah.
Where?
I want my big money. This too little tight. Fry yourself. Come on here. Right. How you want me? Replacement? A replacement I want me move fry yourself. Right, and face. And what are that?
yard? You come from a papaya yard? So you do over there? Me not understand that. Oh, Rasta man. Did you over there? Where Rasta man? Did you that papaya man? Papaya, the sappy man when he mash it. So oh, you name video? You name video? You know no video? Wow, you know everybody busy still in a dummy. So papaya there, no? You over there? Papaya walk off with the woman after everything. Why not no sense man into a fool? So a Rasta man there, you know him? Run gone. Boy, Papa, you know no sense, man. But yo, thanks to tell me still, because if I you, I don't know nothing what go on, you know. But you should have video it next time, here, video. Alright.
Don't say what go on. Boy, for when I can't say no girl bad man, what go on? Bad man, for when I eat much, be easier eat much easier and girl there than one girl. From the from when me tell me there, no me say no girl no. Come on, what go on? No girl me not say really. Come on, what go on, you know? No man. Acha. Alright, what's what go on? So one girl come here now. Come on, what go on now? What you do to him? Man look good. Fear me to the man. Say look good. Nice and clean. Now what is right there? She's there. She's right there. Now some of the girl. Come on, what go on now? Good night, I think bad man. Watch out, bad man. Take girl like bad one. Bad man, listen to the girl, father. Tell me. Yo, I have to say father. No, still girl, bad man, but don't shoot.
Thank you. What's your name? Oh, you're dumb. Lexi. We can't call you dummy. Dummy. Thanks, dummy. I appreciate it. Thank you. You saved my life. You're a lifesaver. Like me? Why don't me? In that situation, I'm not even know what to say. Single. Just single. Why? Tama mo, why am I alive? Why am I alive? Of course. We can go on a date. We can go on a date. I swear you saved my life.
Yeah, tell me what you want.
Mango. Want a mango? Oh, yeah. Mango. Yeah. No, I can't put it down if it turn. I like it when it turn. No. Dummy, it never on my belly. I can't put it down if it turn. I want this too and I want the mango. Okay? Yes. Come on.
350. Yeah, man. 150. Yeah, man. I forgot I put change.
Oh, go sir.
Power.
So you really tell me, say, yo, nobody saw what you from how long? You tell me, say, it's a dumb money left
So
me
you
for?
tell me, say you follow me.
I pass, it's a dumb money left me for? You really tell me, say, you left good, solid man for
I'm
this?
very rich, yes, sir. That me want. Dummy, I'm an ex. I'm an ex.
See, I this now, I'm talking about ex.
No, nobody with that. Dummy, nobody with that. That's not necessary.
What kind of fool is this?
I mean, I
follow you for? The public road. A public road.
Yeah, but yeah, it works me out here, sir. That's not necessary. It's not necessary. Dummy, you need to calm down. You need to calm down. Don't make it go on, man. Just make it go on. Come on, take now, make it go on.
Come on, you domino, calm down here. Yeah, man. Good man. Just be nice, Domino. Be nice.
You never mean it.
Yeah, man, just be nice. Take your time, here, father.
Walk on, daddy.
Hey, walk along, you alright?
Yeah, man.
Hey, so how you carry?
You know, say, I get some overeating problems, so I feel make one mechanic look more awkward.
Alright. You shouldn't call man, because I could have even just call one taxi and make them come pick you up. You see me?
That's alright. We just make one youth them on the force, just drop me down.
Alright. That's nothing, sir. Somebody made you out here wait for to collect one little money. I want to work comedy, but you don't see him, so it look like, say, man, I have to make it on here, man.
We don't want me to deal with that.
No, sir, that good, man.
Alright, cause we just done the up this do one roadblock.
Well, yo, you know, if you pressure you them too hard on the road, no, because we don't want nobody pre you or pre me, you know.
Oh, you don't have to worry about that, daddy. Me have me anger, you know, but me know where it go, so we don't have to pressure nobody.
Alright.
I work, me come to work. How that me come to you?
Why everybody's so surprised at me and do me attack? He's a nice guy, you know, not because he's dumb.
Alright, me take you for your word, but out of all I man them in the community.
What that's supposed to mean? Him have a good personality, he's very romantic. Not because him can't. Any man, son.
Okay. At least me not have to worry about him, I kick you down.
Him that's a disrespectful.
But don't worry yourself, man. But just in case nothing happen to you, don't say you can't call me.
No, man.
We always have me bicycle problem.
For dummy.
Me for dummy. Not shut me.
Dummy, alright, that's weird. I am that, you know. But anyways, I'm saying I'll cook some food.
Alright, left some for me.
Alright.
I'll go and dummy.
Yeah, babe. I'm a cousin.
You good?
My cousin, shaky man.
Oh.
Cousin. Family.
But we'll talk to you later, yeah?
Alright, later.
Yeah, later.
Alright. Come on. Cook some food. cousin family. Want you? Mommy! You can't do that. What is wrong with you? Don't put your hand on me, man. It's my cousin. My cousin. My phone. Take it. What is wrong with you, dummy? I'm not take it for idiot. So what you kill me for? It's my family. My family, my cousin. Me not take you for idiot. Me not cheat and you not tell no lie for me. It's my cousin. Dummy, stop. It's my cousin. Look how me there, I brag to my cousin. Say you're nice and you're loving and your personality up. And I saw you deal with me because you think me a cheat. I saw you deal with me. I saw you did dark and fool. Stop abusing me.
Cousin, why you look so?
You know, sir, the other day when you left, don't me accuse me, say me and you there. And he put him hand on me, him nearly kill me with it down there.
Wait, where, sir?
Like him, you know, hear me, sir?
Don't be put your hand on you.
Don't me nearly kill me with it, no put hand, nearly kill me with it down there. I said, me and you there.
And that's why I'm telling you down there with dummy, you know.
I said, Javi, him have my phone from way or when me not hear from my mother, I don't know if none of my family member all right.
And that's why I try to call her, I can't get her.
Him have my phone.
Alright, cause I domestic violence, you know. Alright, man, I can't be in a station, you know. I tell her already if you know they were dumb, you know. I see him come hurt you. Which part you know?
No, I must around that corner this way.
I say dummy can't hear, you know, say after.
Dummy, him can't hear.
Dummy!
My cousin. Listen to me. When I bring the man coming up on you, I did tell you say I'm a cousin. And I come for lock you up because you put your hand on me. What?
Dummy, calm down. Dummy, listen to me now.
Listen to me talk about.
Let me talk to you. Dummy, right now, I lock me for lock you up, you know. I don't think you understand the situation. Let me slow down. Listen to me now. Let me slow down my words to me if you not hear me. Dummy, I can't for carry in a station, you know. Dummy, calm down. Dummy, a domestic violence, I call it.
Stop him now. Javi, stop him.
He not gonna do nothing.
Javi, stop him. You see him off the machete.
Dummy, he not gonna do
Stop him. You see him off the machete.
Calm yourself. Me I don't know fighting police. Me will shoot you in a youth. Relax yourself. Yo, if I want to, you know, I shoot me for shoot you in a youth. If I want to, you know, me for shoot you in a youth. You feel say you can bother police? You feel say I fight when me I go upon my job? I shoot people, you know. If I want to, me for shoot in the head, you know, boy. Come out here, sir. Go on for your, no. Go on for your clothes, yes. You know what, come back, nobody go for your clothes now. Right now, station where I go. Nobody will be begging. Right now, go on. Because right now, if I want to shoot me.